Hello, good morning, where do you came from? Perfect stranger I've been waiting on. Right place at the right time. Nobody can tell me you ain't mine. Yeah. To be honest, I've never been this bold. Your personality, it warms my soul. All they ever do is lie to you, baby. Tell them other niggas bye-bye. Yeah. Come over here, so I know you love my accent.
So we're about to leave now, guys. And
we're about to go, guys. So remember to check out Adonai.
That's their number there. Look at this boy. You see, guys? The moment you let go island, this is what he does. This is what he do. You know? Run, run, run. Oh. Yeah. You see the bird? Bird? You like bird? Huh? Can I catch it and cook it? Huh? Yeah, burn energy now. Huh? What? How do you see? Leaf? Yeah, what do you see? This way, come on. Wait on mom. Look, mom. Go down to mom. Oops, careful. Guys.
What are you doing?
Guys, Island is doing a poo. Trust me, the things he do on camera, like, well,
Island,
off camera,
stop.
I should say. He don't want me to look when he's doing a poo. Even at home, guys, he literally go hide himself behind the curtain or the couch or anything.
Just by the way he's standing, guys.
Yeah, careful.
He's like...
Careful. Island, you might hit yourself. Careful.
So guys, we are going back now.
Yeah.
Probably going to go to another stop real quick and try and see if we can fly the drone over the city, which would be really good. And then after that, we're going to probably jump back on the tram and go home.
Yeah.
And yeah, wrap it up for the day.
Yeah, man. So
yeah, because tomorrow we have another long day.
Yeah.
And then we leave. So
yeah, man. So stick around, guys.
Stay tuned.
Yeah, man.
So when me and Babe said that Melbourne was, well, we're going to a bipolar place, here you have it, plain example.
Yeah.
Sunny day, all of a sudden the sun decides it comes out. So
Finally.
oh gosh, hopefully
it
stays this way because we plan to fly some drones.
Yeah.
So yeah, guys, stay tuned.
Yeah, man.
And yeah, big love to all our subbies. Blessings. We're going to stop here and wait for the tram to go back to the city.
So guys, we're back out here where we basically started from. We're looking at these Asians. They're doing some kind of film, dance or something. It's like a music video they're doing or something. Yeah, so this is like a little park area. Yeah. So it's much brighter out now. Okay. That is crazy. Yeah, it actually does. These type of things, guys, draw a crowd. It's like heaps of people gathering around just to see.
Watch me, I'm better.
Yeah, mamacita style, you know? Caliente. Yeah, look at the camera guy. He has all the angles even covered. Like they move that way, like even we can't figure it out. I mean, obviously they rehearse it. Look at that.
Wow, look at that, guys. Yeah.
camera not even focusing, guys, I
That
swear.
would have been a good gift, Poppy.
Yeah.
Because of flowers.
Well, I just seen that. I never even know that was a thing.
I'm happy with anything anyway.
We are.
Go.
We're heading to our hotel, you know.
Yeah, we're
You
gonna
see me?
have a swim.
Just got off tram, and it's actually not far from
It's
the city.
not far at all, guys.
Yeah.
So, if you ever want to visit Melbourne,
Yeah.
visit Melbourne.
It's nice.
It's nice.
Yeah, man.
It's a short trip for us because
Yeah.
obviously we work, and we did see someone in the comment section ask like how we make time to go on little vacations and that.
Yeah.
Well, because that's just what we do.
Yeah. And we actually use the weekend.
Yeah,
So
we use the weekend when we're off to
exactly,
go away.
you know. So
That's what we do.
yeah,
But you know, the bigger trips, like the international ones, obviously,
yeah,
it's going to be more than
yeah. More than
2 or 3 days.
days. More than 2 or 3 days.
yeah.
So yeah, man.
It's not worth it then.
Yeah, true.
So guys, we're going to give you a quick room tour and show you our room.
Yeah.
I just wanted to give you a little tour of our bedroom or room. And so we just start, this is the front door. Let's start there. This is the front door, guys. Then we have the sort of kitchen area here with a few little goodies in there, juice and things, and we have the bathroom here. Yep, nice little bathroom. And then coming out here, we've got island, and we've got 2 beds, one for Island and one for us. And then we have Babes here doing his thing, whatever he's doing. And then, guys, ladies and gentlemen, we have the city view, or a view. So down there, guys, is where we catch a tram. It's beautiful. It's a beautiful city, and the weather is really weird here. It's cold, isn't it, babe?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, but it got hot.
Yeah.
So that's what it is. And now we're gonna get ready to go down to the pool and explore the pool. Aren't we, Island? Island, come. Take your shoes off. And yeah.
Here we are, guys.
Go for a swim.
Going for a swim. And guess what? We're gonna bring the slippers. Barefoot as is style. We don't know. Oh, these are rooms here. What's this one? No, those aren't.
Maybe that way.
Must be.
Must be.
Yeah, because those are all rooms. Island. So here we are.
Lovely.
Oh, guys. The view up here is amazing.
You want to jump in? You're going to have a swim?
Pool?
Nice and, is it warm? Oh, good.
Yeah.
Go in the cold. Come on, Dad. Come on in.
This one is warm.
Yeah, we're just gonna get splashed everywhere, I think. Ooh, lovely. This is nice, Highland. You can stand here, I think. Stand. Stand up, maybe.
They'll have the tall legs.
Stand up. Stand up. Stand up, Papa. You can stand up.
It's relaxing. Definitely relaxing.
Yeah.
Such beautiful view. Okay. It's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah, you're gonna kick those legs? Kick those legs? Hmm? Look at the water boil. He thought it was hot at first.
Yeah.
Saying hot, 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 hot.
Yeah.
Oh, are you falling asleep? Don't bite, don't bite. It's not good.